This is a golden rule of online growth that if you make it easy for someone to share your content on any social media like Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok or Facebook, then the chances for your content to get viral will be super high. Because nowadays almost everyone is on social media, and when they share something on their profile, so all of their followers or friends will be able to know about that thing and they can actually click on that link or follow that content, right? So basically in this video I'm going to show you step by step quickly how you can actually add the Pinterest share button on your WordPress website. And if you learn this method, so you can actually do this on any platform. So first of all, I'll show you how this share button looks like on my website and how people can actually share my content on their Pinterest profile for my growth. And then I'll let you know how you can actually replicate the same process and put the Pinterest share button on your WordPress blog or WordPress site. So by doing this free thing for 5 minutes, you can actually get a benefit for long-term growth of your blog or website on Pinterest. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I run multiple online businesses like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, affiliate marketing and YouTube. That gives me financial freedom and allow me to travel the world without having any worry of 9-to-5 job. So if you also want this freedom to working remotely from anywhere in the world, then make sure to subscribe to the channel to learn more about online earning for free. And if you're confused at where to start, then you can just simply visit the link ways2sellonline.com/start. So you can just find some useful material from there and get a complete roadmap from where to start. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my website www.ways2sellonline.com, right? So on the top bar you can see that I am having a page of services, coaching, tools and blogs, right? So here if I open my blog part, so you can see that these are all of my blogs on the left side, and on the right side I am having my sidebar where you can find information about me and ways to sell online. And if I click on any other blog just like this, so you can see that on the right side of the page, I am having some social share button from which you can actually share this blog on Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter and all of the other platforms which you want. And on the left side, under the thumbnail and the title of my blog, you can see these buttons as well. So in the starting of my blog, in the ending of my blog, and on the right side, whenever you scroll down my blog, you can see that if you scroll down the blog, so you can see on the right side, these sticky buttons are always there. And if I just make the size of that window smaller, so you can see that that sticky sidebar of social share button is now at the bottom. So that means when someone opens my website on their mobile device, so they will be able to see these sharing button there, right? So basically if you want to install these kind of sharing buttons, so you need to install a widget on your WordPress blog, which sometimes make the speed of your blog slower and people might experience a delay. And this issue can be resolved if you use a paid widget or paid plugin on WordPress. So your website speed will not affect and you can see these buttons. But for this video, we are not going to learn something for which we have to pay. We are here to learn something which we can do it for free. So there is a secondary method which is from Pinterest authentic method, and you can actually do that free of cost. So let me just show the example. If I go on my service page, so you can see that these are all of my services. So whenever I hover on any of my services, just like this and this, so you can see that on the top left, I can see this Pinterest save button. And if I click on that button, so you can see that anyone can actually save my service image on their Pinterest, on their pin board, so they can actually see that service later. And if that image will be added to their Pinterest board, so all of those people who are on Pinterest and are in that board will also be able to see this image. So I can actually get more and more traffic on my services from Pinterest without letting anyone know, just because of that one pin share button. So now let's see how you can install that button on your WordPress site from a Pinterest authentic website, so people can share your posts, people can share your services or products. So for that, you have to go on Google and type Pinterest widget builder and then click on this first link. And then you will be able to see a welcome page something like this, in which you can see that this is a developer platform, and on the left side you need to find out your issue and click on that to get that resolved, right? So from here on this page, as we want to install a save button on our website, so we need to find out save button. So we need to scroll down, and then here you can see that this is a save button. So if I click on the save button under the add-ons, so I will be able to see this. So here you can see that this is a step-by-step instruction to install the save button on your website, right? So you can see that these are two code. Number one is JavaScript code and number two is CSS file code. So basically all you have to do is you have to copy these both codes and you have to paste these codes on that page of your website on which you want to display that button on the images. So for example, if you want to install that button on your blog, so you need to go on your WordPress website and you have to open your blog page PHP file, and on that you can just paste these two codes anywhere and click save. So after doing that, that Pinterest button will start showing on your blogs, and same for the services page and same for any other page. And if you are still confused, then let me show you from where you can actually find those pages. So when you go on your WordPress dashboard, so on the left side, if you scroll down, so under the appearance menu, you need to click on this theme file editor. So after clicking on that, on the right side, all of those files of pages which are present in your website, like main page, service page or blog page, right? So on the right side, you can see that this is header.php, this is footer.php. So let's suppose if we copy and paste that code in header.php, then that Pinterest save button will start showing on your header, right? So now from here, you need to find out your page, your service page or your blog page where you want to display that button, and then you have to copy that code from here and then paste it there and then just click on update file. Then after 5 to 10 minutes, your Pinterest share button will be start showing on your website just like this. And after implementing that, you can actually feel the increase in traffic on your website or on your Pinterest page from this only one step. So right after watching this video, go there, install that button and enjoy. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.